Nice early morning. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm getting out before the storm's coming. There's a big storm on its way. So basically I need to leave North Wales because it's going to be quite windy apparently. I'm at Llandudno and that's the beach. Tide's on its way out, so I've got about another 2 hours I think, or 3 hours before low tide. So I'll probably be here for low tide, and that's all I'll do today, because I want to walk up that big hill. The Orme. I want to go up there today. So yeah, enjoy. See you at the first hole. I was out the other day, so this might be a combination because I didn't really find a lot on the other one. It was just fishing weights, so that may go out with just 3 or 4 finds, just to show a typical day on the beach. Or this one may be joined to it. But unfortunately I did break my my scoop. So I'm out with a little diddy spade. So let's see how that goes. Hopefully that'll be okay. It's got a 25-year guarantee on it, so if I buckle it up I can always take it back. Yeah, it's going to be a glorious day before the storm's coming. Look at that, for the sunrise coming up in the background. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. Bye. Well, there's the hole. I had a 70 come up. And there's a 20p piece. So 20p so far today. There you go. 86, 87. Oh, it's a car. It's a car. Chevrolet Cameo. There you go. One car. Happy days. I'll just turn you back on. I've got another one. I think there might be another one in there as well. What we got? Some GT. Oh, there you go. That's that one. And I think there's another one in there. Oh yeah, helicopter. See if there's anything else. Yeah, helicopter as well. There you go. Let's go with the detector. No, that's it. Alright, I've got another 70. Spade's working out quite well actually. Yeah, another 20p. There you go. Another 70. So possibly another 20p piece. Yeah, another 20p. Happy days. Got a 53, 55 as well in the same hole. Got 5p as well. Just had a 59.60. What's that? Oh, it's a lens. Probably a lens off of a phone then. Oh, there you go. Oh, I've got an 88. 87, 88. Just a lid. All right, another 70. Could be some crap, but I think it's possibly going to be another 20 pence. Because it's crackling as well, so that's why I think it might be a bit of rubbish. Right, it's out. Right, another 20 pence. I've got a couple of nice shiny ones and a couple of older ones. And there you go, another 20 pence. I'll put you on again. I just found another 20 pence. I think I've just got another one. Another 70. Clearly they don't like 20p's around here. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh, no. That's no way that was a 70, surely. Ring pull. Let's have a look again. Thought it was another 20p. An older one again. There you go. So the ring pull was a bonus. Well, don't know what this is. Is it a hair clip of some sort? Just a bit of fancy. Don't know. It's got stones on it. Looks like a clip of some sort there. Maybe not. Don't know. Well, there you go. That come up as a 55. Oh, I've got 55. Another 5p. There you go. Oh, it's got a pound. Oh no, it's not. It's a euro. €1. There you go. Oh, another clip. Let's have a look with a brush. So yeah, another bit of jewellery. We've got an 85, 86. I've got a pound. I've got a pound. I've got another car. Good wheels. Got another vehicle. 85, 86. That's out. Another pound. Another pound. There you go. So 70, possibly another 20 pence. Yep. Another 20 pence piece. Seems to be that the Welsh don't like 20 pence pieces. Because that's all I keep finding. Alright, people in the past have asked me, well, I've just found this, it's all wrapped up in that. People have asked in the past why I carry a cork, and that's the reason. Because there's six hooks there that was just sitting on the surface. Any animal could come along and hook themselves up in that, and I like to take them away so that they don't get injured. And then the weights, obviously I'll have that in for my weighing pot. But yeah, that's why. God, the state of that. That's the second one that's come up like that. That was a bang on 55, so I thought it was a 5 pence piece. Looks like a destroyed penny. I've got two of them now. Oh, it's got another 20p. This one come up was 71. And there you go. 20 pence. Oh, I've got 91. I don't even have to dig for this one. I can just see it under the surface. A penny. Oh, there's another one sitting on the surface. Another penny. Oh, we've got an 88, 89. So possibly start to 90, so possibly another penny. That's a 2 pence this one. Normally they're higher than that. There you go. 2 pence. Oh, I've got 72. Possibly 20 pence a piece. 20p a piece. Ah, bloody ball bearing or pistol shot. On a beach, I'm going to say ball bearing. There you go. I've just got another 2p. I had a couple of these and a few crusty 1p as well. Another 2p. Right, another 2p. Another 2p. Right, 72. You can just see it on the bottom there. Oh, 50p. I thought it was a 20p there. You got 50p. That come up as a 72 of all numbers. Never mind.